I'm very pleased to welcome you to the School of Public Health at the University of North Texas Health Science Center at Fort Worth. It is my privilege to serve as Professor and Dean of this transformative institution at a critical time for global public health. Since our founding, almost 25 years ago, the School of Public Health has focused on eliminating health inequities and improving the quality and conditions of life by providing outstanding public health education, research, practice, and service to our communities in North Texas and around the world. We are a community-centric School of Public Health with a deep commitment to high-impact educational practices. Embracing these values is not only the path to excellence, but it is how we address our commitment to the global mission of public health. More than 30% of our students are international, from South Asia, Africa, South America, Canada, and the Middle East. We know how important understanding and engaging with people from different cultures and different backgrounds is for our academic community, so that we can become effective public health leaders and global citizens. 100% of our Masters of Public Health, Healthcare Administration, Health Science, and PhD students are hired in their fields following graduation. In addition to our exceptional programs of study, our students receive hands-on learning opportunities and gain real-world practical experience in public health and healthcare administration. The strong professional relationships and international networks that our students forge during their education play a significant role in their ongoing success. Culturally, you'll see the best of Texas at HSC. Our university is set on a beautiful 33-acre campus in the heart of Fort Worth's cultural and museum district. Just a few minutes away sits 5 internationally acclaimed museums, several entertainment districts, the Dickies Arena, which hosts major events and concerts, breathtaking parks, and walkable and bike-friendly trails. Above all, you'll discover here your professional purpose and passion so that you can thrive and make a positive difference in advancing health and well-being of our local and global communities. We very much look forward to welcoming you here and to working with you to build a healthier and just world.